We don't learn coding because we don't practice enough. Learn to code without writing code in a code editor is same as learning to swim without getting in the water. Welcome to CodeMode. Now, learn by practice and retain the knowledge forever. Practice is at the heart of our platform and learning model. We treat coding as math, and the only way to master coding skills is through practice. CodeMode provides a complete ecosystem coding course, coding environment, teaching, and necessary support. Our courses are built to take anyone from zero to hero. Some learn by reading the text, while others learn by watching videos. Whatever your learning style is, we support you. Every course is divided into logical chapters, and each chapter has multiple concepts. Every concept comes with a text explanation as well as a video. Once you learn, you take quizzes to test your understanding. You are given 2 or more practice tests at the end of the chapter. You are asked to code in each question. Our code editor is fully web-based and supports multiple languages. It is expected that you may be stuck on a coding problem. No worries, we are with you. You can post a question and get help from a vibrant community of other learners on the platform. Or chat with a teacher. More than the course, our course progress report and other analytics continuously encourage you to make progress and take the learning to the finish line. Our fully web-based code editor enables you to practice more. Write code, save the progress, and continue later. You can share the code snippet with teachers or other students for review or collaboration. Together, you learn fast because we are available to support you. Feeling distracted? Go distraction-free and write code. Even better? Enable night mode to save your eyes from stress. Want to try another code editor? Download the code and open with other code editors. You have freedom, and you are always in control. Getting real-time help on time is important to make progress. Many students need help, not knowing what to Google or where to get help, and we know it. That's why we have built all the necessary tools in our platform. Our coding platform is built for school students. Simple, intuitive, and online class-friendly. We teach not just coding skills, but problem-solving skills. If you can learn math, you can learn coding. Start today. Visit www.codemode.us or like us on Instagram, CodeMode_US.